Hello everyone, today we are going to find out how to export your Word document in different file types. Sometimes we need to save or export our files in different format. For example, it can be a PDF. So how can we do this? This is a sample file I have opened in Microsoft Word. I want to convert it or save it into a PDF file. So let's do this. Click the file icon here, go to Save As, click Browse, and select a folder where you want to export. Then click here, Save As Type, click PDF or whatever format you want to save. After clicking here, click Save. And the file is saved. Let me show you. So here you can see in the folder the file has been saved with a PDF extension, and if I open it, you can already see the file has been opened and it's a PDF file. Thanks for watching. Like the video, comment down below, and make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel and click the bell icon for more interesting videos like this. Till then, see you in the next video.